Good afternoon, my crafty friends. This is Debbie with Yard Market, and today I am doing my memory keeping journal. We celebrated my birthday August 31st at my daughter and son-in-law's house. Had a really nice barbecue, and they got a really pretty cake from the bakery. It was just a white cake with strawberries all over it with like a whipped cream. It was really good. So I had cut these out from that what is that book from the Dollar Tree, the sticker activity book. It's like got it all cut up, as you can see. Really used that one. Sorry, hit that camera. And then what I thought, I mean, this is just going to be the one page. I thought I'd collage with these, except everything is the same color except one envelope. And then these are my cards, which I think I'm just going to cinch in to the it'll be this way. They'll be cinched in over this way. So I thought that would be nice. And then I can always, write about the day a little bit somewhere on here, hopefully. So I think I'll just put these little fussy cut things. Like I said, I tried to find all the strawberries that I could in there. And then this is just the back of the one I had done previously. And I have my little tape here to know that's where the cinch is going to go. So let's see here. I guess we'll just start. I like using the envelopes just because they have, the writing on there of, my name. So I just thought I would just go ahead and collage with this, even though it is the same color. We'll just, rip these apart and see how it goes. I'll just go ahead and keep the pieces right here beside me, just so if I need more. Kind of like the torn look. Just kind of using, I just want to use what, was given to me. Like I said, my kids don't even call me mom anymore. They call me Nana. So that's what the grandkids call me. So I guess that's just what everybody calls me now. I don't mind. It's just kind of funny. But do I still call my mom? Oh gosh, that's probably really super loud, huh? Sorry. Try that. Maybe hold it down just a little bit so it's not so loud. Okay, these are kind of getting in my way. I gotta move them a little bit farther. See, I think this is my son's writing. I think this is my daughter's writing, and then this is my other daughter's writing. Yeah. But then in the cards, like what I like about inside of the cards, well, not the 3-year-old, but the oh, and it's so funny. Look, they got me the same exact card. Oh, it's just too funny. But it has, everybody's little handwriting in here, which I love. Oh, Derek. Oh, I was looking for the other one. Derek's right there. My other. Some people write a lot, and then some people don't. Okay, guys, I'm sorry that this is loud. Maybe I'll just cut it and then tear it. Oh gosh, just knocking things over. I don't know, it just seems really loud to me today for some reason. Go ahead and move those out of the way. There we go. And I kind of like the way that this is looking, like how it's exposing some white here. That's kind of cool. Okay, wait, we don't want to chop everything off. Let's see. Okay, let's start. I will do it like this. piece is better. You know, this is probably going to be, maybe I should expose some of the white. I think I'll expose some of the white. I kind of like that in there. And then we have this one. And then we can just cut off edges. The cake's probably going to cover some of this up. Not sure how I can on there without covering it all up. I guess if I go over with it, if I'll pull it over, I'll do. I'll try to pull it over as much as possible. Maybe if I just scoot it over, and I could always tuck some extra pieces in there. Okay, this is the side that's going to be cinched though, so I need to go back the other way. Hopefully that exposes some of it. You know, I could turn that too. Maybe go up a little bit. I'll just turn it. I can always tuck other pieces in there. See, I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm just going to put a little bit on. I mean, I'm not going to go up all the way. That way I have room to tuck in. And then I can go back in and use the liquid glue to really, you know, adhere it. Because I'm trying to get it on there to where I'd really like to see all of the writing. Maybe I let it expose that. We're going to cover up. Oh, it did. Oh. Well, it is what it is. I'm trying. Just kind of cut off, I guess. Hanging over. I don't want all the edges covered up though. Let's see. There we go. Better. I think I can go in. This piece. I could always put stickers there too where it's kind of exposed. So let's see, let's go ahead and cut that off and see what it looks like. Not like I said, I know I didn't go all the way to the edge, so I will definitely have to go back and get some liquid glue under there. Yeah, that day was really nice, that barbecue. It was just nice and relaxing. They were asking me where I wanted to go, and I thought for, you know, a restaurant, and I go, you know, can't really visit that much at a restaurant. Everybody's all spread out on one long big table. Would you guys mind just having it at your house? I think it worked out. No, I didn't have to really go anywhere. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm going to leave that right now, and then I'll go back and get that cleaned up. I have a little piece there. Yeah, see, I think I'm just going to keep it on this side, even though it's kind of covering up some stuff. That. And I'm going to put the strawberries on top. Just to, you know, remember my... Okay, that one's attached. The cake that I had. And then here's a straw cupcake. Oh, maybe I can just put it on top here. I don't really want to cover too much up. Oh, like there. Oh, I like that. Kind of need something in there now, I think. Let's see what. I could just do a strip, maybe. Maybe just a torn strip of this. Just to kind of make it look, you know, a little bit better there with that edge. Yeah, I like, oh, okay, I do like that. Okay, we're gonna do that. Let me get this down before it moves. I think I got too much glue. Oh, I did. I can move this out of the way just for a moment. And I kind of pieced everything together. I just didn't get the one. Name's gonna be covered up, but oh, that's okay. Oh, you know, I had another envelope. I just thought of it. Oh, well. I did have a blue envelope, which probably would have looked a little bit better, but that's all right. I think I was using it for something else. Okay, just a little bit more. I think will be good. And I'll get the little embellishments on there. Oh, you know what I could use for that envelope? I'll just do the writing on that envelope and cinch it in those cards. That's what I'll do. Okay. Here, I'm going to put this down. Yeah, because my tip won't work on there. A glue tip. I get too much glue. So let's see if I can just spread this around a little bit. And that's why it squishes out so much. Okay, let's see here. Here with it. Before I do that though, I'm going to get this down. Or I completely rub it down. Another little embellishment on there. I know, I really wish I would have thought to take a picture of that cake. And take a picture of people at a little get together. go with that. Kind of, that cupcake kind of camouflage the weird little cuts in there, so I like the way that turned out. And this is definitely, this is cardstock, a little bit more durable. Okay, there we go. These, oh, you know what? These are stickers. This one is. I forgot a couple of these are stickers, and I just cut the white part off. And now we can't get it off. Come on. Come on, come on. Where's the tape? Do I have tape? Sometimes tape works. But I even have room for writing up here. So I probably will go back in and just, you know, write about the barbecue and how that everything was so tasty. It was really good too. This is the other sticker. Like I said, sometimes the tape works, sometimes it doesn't. No. Okay, there we go. My oh my. Okay, just trying to place him. Yeah, that cake was really, really good. It was light. I don't know what kind of cake it was, but it was like I guess a vanilla. It was just, I don't know, it just was really light. Not, you know, not a real heavy, you know, sometimes some cakes just have a really heavy custardy taste to them. So, okay, guys, that's gonna be it. I think I have this one weird little spot here. Do I have anything? You know, I want to put something there. Don't know what, but I might have to do that later. Just this is just a little strange, but I do have all of the signatures on there. I do like that. I mean signatures. Their handwriting here, and then we have the handwriting in here also. Like I said, this is the side of the cinch. So then I'll get all the cards in here, and that'll just be part of the memory keeping. And that way I'm not going to cut these up. Okay, there we go, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, happy crafting. Have a great day. And thank you so much for new subscribers, current subscribers, all the comments, shares, and likes. Bye-bye.